Welcome to our channel. In this video we will take you through entire process of manufacturing and Dynamics 365 Business Center from quote to order and build to ship. Let's demonstrate this process from end to end so you can see the capability of the system. First I need to create a code for the customer, so I am simply create the code to the my customer here from the home page. So I just click the sale code. Now I'm going to select the customer from the customer name. Here I can enter the code, and here we are, our customer Adatum Corporate. So in item line I just select the required item and just select the quantity they required. Here we just put the quantity in 10 which they require. So here I complete the code as they need. In the top of this page, print and send option. For this we can send by the email this code to the client. Just click the send by email, and here the all code is in PDF form, so we can change the email of customer as well, and we can change the code as well. So we will let it as it is and send to the customer. It will take time, so we launch the code again and turn into the order. So the next step I'm going to do, make it order form to code. I'm clicking to make the order from the code. So yes, here we get the sale order from the code. So I just click yes, and it will convert into the sale order. So here we can get our sale order. So in this case as we get the order from the code, so sorry, we can create the production order from the sale order as well. So here you can see the action button and come to the planning and click the planning. So here our product of finished good. So I just create the production order, and here we have firm planned order, firm planned and release. So I just click the release order. So here we got the release order has been created. Just click OK. So we can move to the release order. So here we can go to the, just type the release production orders. So here we get all order. So here is our order, 10 quantity from the sale order from the code. So in the line we can go to the production journal. So production journal will tell us how much material it will take and how much the consumption time it will take. So we can just put the time from the shop floor and from the production areas. We just put it 20 minutes. So yes, so that is all the production, and from process we can change the status from the release to finished goods. So here is all process of from all process of the business center from code to ship. So thanks for